Francis Pereira has confessed that Israeli jailmates at Agwat jail brainwashed him that souls are trapped in religious symbols and they need to be released. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar told the assembly that he was to stop the desecrations after breaking statues of Shivaji in Savarne and Abeda Faria in Panji. His role models were Saddam Hussein, Bin Laden and Virappan. Francis Pereira from Kudzade was arrested on 15th of July and has shown the police 113 symbols he desecrated since 2003. Soon after he was released from the jail in the month of September. He has also told police that he began it by breaking photos and altar in his own house to release the souls from these symbols. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar also informed the House about his submission.
During year 2017 till date, total 12 desecration cases have been reported at police station in South Goa district and 2 cases in North Goa district, which are as under Margao Town Police Station 3, Maina Kurdari Police Station 5, Kepe Police Station 1, Kudzade Police Station 3, total 12, Penne Police Station 2. During interrogation, the accused Mr. Francis X. Pereira, son of Kaitan Pereira, near Church Morelem, Kudzade, has confessed to have committed all the 12 desecration cases recently reported occurred within South Goa district. So far, accused has shown 79 places. I will like to correct this. Today's figure is 113 places of worship, 113 right? Of worship which he has desecrated between 2003 to 2017. Agwat जेलीन ताका थंय काही इस्रायली मेळ्ळे. ह्या इस्रायलींनी ताका कन्विन्स केलो की आयडल वर्शीप इज नॉट करेक्ट थिंग. सगळे आत्मे जे असतात त्या आत्मे येऊन ह्या कुर्सांनी, घुमट्यांनी, पुतळ्यांनी बसून घुसतात आणि त्या आत्मे मागीर कितें कितें रॉंग गजाली करतात. त्यामुळे त्या आत्म्यांची मुक्ती करूंक जाय. जेलींच्यान सुट्टकच पयलीं ताणें काम केलें तें घरा येवन आपले घरा जितली देवाची पायणाळां आशिल्लीं तितली फोडून उडयली. ताजे आतां सद्या रोल मॉडेल तो स्वताचे सांगता ते सदाम हुसेन, बिन लाडेन, विरप्पन हे ताजे रोल मॉडेल आहा. ताणें 113 जागे दाखयले. तातूंत भितर सांग्या पासून म्हणजे तुज्या वेळार जे जाला पळय काँग्रेसच्या राज्यांत सुद्दां ती सगळी भोवतेक तरी ताणेंच केल्या. तोच कित्याक जाल्यार ताजेंय कारण सांगलां हाणें. तो दुसरो आयलो जाल्यार तो कितें सोरो मारतलो. ही हॅज टर्न व्हेजिटेरियन. ही डजंट ड्रिंक. कारण म्हणटा तो पिवन गेलो आनी ते सोल पळय जे रिलीज जाता ते आपल्या आंगान गेले जाल्यार.
Our reporters Mahim Bhandari and Prahar Savartekar from Panji and Kudzade.